Two ways to do it. Super simple. One way you can do is you go up here, at your Finder or for your apps, or you go down here, click on your Launchpad, or you can just open up QuickTime Player. When you open up QuickTime, you come here to File and do New Screen Recording, and that'll get you that'll start your screen recording. The other way is to hit Command Shift 5, and it'll bring up this little section down here for you. And then from here, you would hit Start Recording. Right now it's recording, so it's going to ask me to stop. Or you can choose what you want to capture. You can capture the entire screen, you can capture a window that you're trying to record, or you can capture a selection. If you choose Capture Selection, you can obviously make this bigger, smaller, depending on what you're looking to capture. But that's it. Those are the two ways to capture your screen or record your screen.